Hi, in this video I will show you what to do if the wire that you are using is too long for the amount of stitches that you need to cast on for your next project. For example, in my case, to start knitting it will be just too tight with this amount of stitches, but there is an easier way to do it. What I can do, I can pull the wire out somewhere in the middle of the stitches, and then I place my stitches closer to the needle tips, so I'm almost ready to start knitting. First, I would need to check if the stitches are not twisted around my needles and the wire. Alright, looks good. Second thing that I need to make sure of is that I'm knitting with the long tail that is coming from the yarn ball and not with the short one. It can be longer one. In my case it is pretty short, but in your case it can be much longer, so yeah, make sure that it is a correct yarn that you tail that you are using, and then you can just start knitting. This is basically it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more knitting tutorials. Bye!